Hi Erica, 你好. It is a beautiful sunshiny day. 有太阳. There's sun, 太阳, sunshine, sun. So this might be a bit too late, but just making a little video for you with the cooking sentences. If you'd like to try your best to learn those and practice them with Alex and with the family. So we've got 我做饭. Or 我们做饭, I'm cooking or we are cooking. Okay? 我做饭 and 我们做饭. 炒饭, fried rice, of course, right? 炒饭. So 我做炒饭, I'm making fried rice. 我做, then we've got 面条, sorry, 炒面, 炒面, fried rice. 炒面. 我做炒面. I'm making fried rice. Then we had 饺子, 饺子 dumplings. 我做饺子, I'm making dumplings. 我做饺子, I'm making dumplings. To say something is yummy, in Chinese they say 好吃, good eat. 好吃, good eat. So that's basically really nice. It's yummy. 好吃. To say not nice, not yummy. 不好吃. 不好吃. Not good eat. 不好吃. So if you wanted to say fried rice isn't yummy, 炒饭不好吃. 炒饭不好吃. If you wanted to say this fried rice isn't yummy, but like in general you like fried rice, but this one, don't like this one, it's got tofu in it or whatever, you would say 这个 means this one, okay, or this. 这个炒饭不好吃. This fried rice not good eat. This fried rice isn't yummy, isn't nice. If you wanted to say this fried rice is yummy, 这个好饭,这个炒饭好吃. 这个炒饭好吃. What else have we got? 我喜欢吃, I like eat. I like to eat. I like eating. 我喜欢吃炒饭, I like eating fried rice. 我喜欢吃饺子, I like eating dumplings. 我不喜欢吃, I not like eat. 我不喜欢吃饺子, I not like eat 饺子. If it's these particular 饺子 you don't like, but you generally do like 饺子, 我不喜欢吃这个饺子, 这个饺子不好吃. I not like eat this 饺子, this 饺子 not yummy, not good eat. 我不喜欢吃这个饺子，这个饺子不好吃. I reckon that's quite a lot for you to deal with, but it's not hard, is it? It's not hard. And then we've got, this is a good one. 我会做, I can make, I am able to make, or I know how to make. 我会做饺子，我会做炒饭. So you'll be able to show off a bit and say to Chinese kids or the Chinese teachers, 你好，我喜欢吃饺子，我会做饺子. Hello, I like eating 饺子. I like eating dumplings. I'm able to make dumplings. I can make dumplings. Okay, so there's a lot there for you to be grappling with, but not difficult, and I know you can do it. 很棒. 再见, Erica. 再见, Alex. Back to report writing. Eek.